So, I hope that you enjoyed that video of me having fun, because the truth behind the thing is, for 10 minutes of fun, I had to be in my room for the rest of the time because that caused me so much pain. And that's what my life is, if if I have fun, I need to plan it out. I need to make sure that I pace myself, and I suck at those things. Very grateful for my friends because they're better at pacing than I am. But I'm just so excited that I got my fairy wings in, and I wanted to have fun and run around, and sadly, having fun and running around has a price to it. And my body is not capable of being able to pay that price without any repercussions. I lose mobility in my hands and stuff, and it gets really bad where I can't even think clearly. And I just wanted to give you a video of the truth behind a happy moment and what happens during that happy moment. I had so much fun, and it was worth it, and I loved having fun. But at the same time, that rest of the day, literally 5 minutes later, my body went electric, and my mom had to go grab my walker, and I had to sit outside full of pain and wanting to cry. But if I cry, my body pain and everything else is going to get way worse. So I don't post a lot because of the pain. I don't know how other creators do it who have what I have. I've tried talking to other creators and be like, hey, how are you able to live in such a beautiful home, and how are you able to be independent? And they usually just end up blocking me because I guess I'm too annoying or something. I honestly just want to know. I want to create content that makes people smile. I want to create a safe space for people. So if you're disabled like I am, it's okay that you don't have everything figured out. It's okay that you cannot compare yourself to others, because that is what kept me in a really bad depression, is comparing myself to others. I have spoons. Sometimes I don't have any spoons. But that's okay. Today, my body is not going to do what I want it to do. And that's okay. Because yesterday, I smiled, I giggled, I laughed, and I had a great and awesome time. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing from the video you saw, because even changing my clothes causes me severe pain. I hope that this video helps someone, and that when you look at this video, you know that you're not alone. I love you, and I hope to see you next time.